Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at an essential accessory for anyone using an Olympus VN-701PC or VN-702PC voice recorder. The MaxLLTo USB PC Data Sync lead cable cord. This isn't just any generic cable. It's specifically designed to ensure seamless connectivity for these particular Olympus models, making sure your valuable audio files are transferred without a hitch. The MaxLLTo brand positions this as a high-quality USB 2 data lead cable. While it's a non-OEM product, the emphasis on quality suggests it's built to perform reliably. For users who have misplaced their original cable or simply need a dependable spare, this MaxLLTo offering presents itself as a very practical solution. It's also highlighted as an excellent option for travel backup, which is incredibly useful for professionals or students who rely on their voice recorders and need to transfer files on the go. One of the standout features mentioned is its 2-in-1 capability. Depending on your device's specifications, this cable can both sync data and charge your device through a USB port. This dual functionality is a significant convenience, potentially reducing the need for multiple cables and streamlining the process of managing your voice recorder. Of course, it's always wise to consult your user manual to confirm the charging capabilities for your specific Olympus model. The cable itself is a standard USB type, utilizing the USB 2 connector, known for its robust data transfer capabilities. This means you can expect efficient and relatively high-speed data transfer when moving your recorded audio files from your Olympus VN-701PC or VN-702PC to your PC. The compatibility is explicitly stated for these two Olympus digital voice recorder MP3 player models, removing any guesswork about whether it will work with your device. What truly elevates this cable beyond a basic replacement is its special features. It's described as having a braided design, which is a fantastic addition for durability and tangle resistance. A braided cable typically withstands more wear and tear than standard plastic-coated cables, making it a long-lasting investment. The focus on data transfer and high speed reinforces its primary purpose, getting your audio files from your recorder to your computer quickly and reliably. For anyone who frequently transfers recordings, the promise of high-speed data transfer through a durable, braided cable is certainly appealing. In essence, for owners of the Olympus VN-701PC or VN-702PC, the MaxLLTo USB PC Data Sync lead cable cord appears to be a well-thought-out accessory. It combines specific compatibility, convenient dual functionality, and enhanced durability with the promise of efficient data transfer. Whether you need a direct replacement, a reliable backup for travel, or just a more robust cable for everyday use, this MaxLLTo offering seems to tick all the right boxes for keeping your voice recorder connected and your data flowing smoothly to your PC.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.